Hey guys, welcome back for another episode of How to Cook.
This episode features a recipe that is super important for me. It's something my mother used to make a lot for me growing up, and I hope that you guys come to love it and make it as often as she used to. For the recipe, you're going to need some egg noodles. I recommend the extra wide ones. Cabbage, some butter, salt, and pepper, and then optional, you can choose some meat. I like the summer sausage. Alright, first things first, we gotta wash the produce. We gotta pull off these excess leaves. I pull off the first, two outside. Just give it a good rinse. Looking at the core, we're gonna cut it down the side. We're gonna go for the other side. Be careful when you do this. Okay, so we chopped both those sides off. Now we're gonna chop the other two sides off. So I'm gonna lay it down. And now we still need to chop the very top. And all that's left is this core. We're gonna discard of this. Throw that away. Okay, so now that we have cut the core, we're gonna flip all these over. I'm going to cut them very thin. So after you're done cutting the core from the cabbage, you should cut it up all fine. It should look like this, and we're going to put it into a pot right now. Alrighty, so we got our cabbage in a pot. I'm going to go ahead and turn that on, and we got our water starting to boil. Let's go ahead and put a big old dollop of butter in this cabbage, so that way they can go ahead and start searing. And I'll see you guys when they're both nice and toasty. So I'm going to throw a little bit of oil down inside this pot too. So I've got these both cooking on high right now. I kind of stirred that oil in a little bit late on purpose. I kind of wanted to sear this cabbage a little bit. I kind of like it a little bit brown. And our water's almost to a boil. Please make sure your water is boiling before you add that pasta, so make sure it's in a nice roll. Alright, our cabbage looks pretty tender here, so I went ahead and turned it off, but I seasoned it with salt and pepper as it was cooking. Our water over here is already boiling, so let's go ahead and throw these pasta noodles in. So our noodles have been going for a while. I think they're done. Let's go ahead and strain them. Alright, so now that the water is drained from our noodles, let's add it to the cabbage. I'm just going to mix it all up. So once you mix the two, you're all done. You can top it with a little bit of a summer sausage if you got a little meat eater that, can't do without.
So I'm stoked. I have a pot of my favorite food for later. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you for the next episode. Bye.